Hello, colleagues, family, friends, students. Welcome. My name is LaShore Redmond, and today I will go through how to create a Google form. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is open up a new tab. Okay, and this is actually a incognito tab, and I'm going to go to Google Forms, type it in, hit the enter button. It's right here. Click on the Google Forms, create and analyze. And then I click on Forms right here. And then go to Google Forms. I'm going to click this. And it says start a new form. So I'm going to click on the blank. And it asks you to take a tour, and I'm going to say no thank you. You have to mind your manners. Okay. And what I'm going to do today is to create a form for an interest survey for the Get It team. That's the Green Enrichment team, Green Enrichment team that we have at Friendly High School. So actually there's an untitled form here, so I will change it to the Green Enrichment interest form. Okay, and has untitled questions. This is really, I like this Google Forms because it really is user friendly. Okay, so the first question that I'm going to ask, and actually I'm going to change it from form to survey. So once I do that, and then the first question that you have, I'm going to change it up here as well. Edit it. And in order to edit, I am just clicking on where I want my edits to go. And so my first question is, what you ask anyone when you're first meeting them is, what is your name? And I want to have a question mark. Okay, and there it is reading what I'm typing here, and so it says a short answer text, and that is what we are going to select, a short answer text for them, for the participants to write their name. And then over here it's like a toolbar. Okay, and so when I want to add the question, I'm going to add a question. So I just click on the plus sign, and then I'm going to ask them, because I want to know what is their classification. Are they freshman, sophomore, junior, or senior? So what is your classification? And so again, Google reads it and it puts up those choices for me. Freshman, sophomore, junior, senior, and then I'm just going to click add all. Okay. Easy enough, and then they get to select. Then I'm going to add another question, and is right where they have the question. Why are you interested in the Green Enrichment team? And then I'm going to give them options for that. Okay. So I want to give them choices. So here I clicked on the arrow for that, and then I want to give them check boxes. So option 1, increase environmental literacy. Okay. My second option, just click here and school beautification. Okay. Okay, I had to put option 2, and it is school beautification. Okay. And then option 3, I'm going to say get extracurricular activities. And last one, I'm going to pick, I have to scroll down, and we're going to say recycling slash composting. Okay. And then we're going to add another question. In this question, we're just going to ask them, are they available on Thursdays? Okay. So, are you available on Thursdays? And, you know, we want to know that because that's when we meet. And so if they are not available, then, okay. And so now we have Google Forms has read what I have typed in, and so they have suggestions, and I'm going to use all of those suggestions, and it is add all. Okay, so now they can pick yes, no, or maybe. And we have it. 1, 2, 3, 4 questions. And we are done. Now, what do I want to do? I am going to, up in the far right hand corner, it's the send. Well, actually, I'm going to add some color to it. Okay, and since it's the green team, I just clicked on the little palette, you know, like the your painting, and I'm going to pick green. And I also can add a background. It's like a little square with almost looks like a mountain. And so I'm going to look at the backgrounds, and it says work and school. You can also upload photos here, but I am going to do other just to see what they have. And voila, look, they have this nice nature background with a moving butterfly, and so that adds pizzazz to this form. So I click on that, highlight it, and then select, and then loading my theme, and looks great. Okay, and then I'm finished there, and then I want to send it. So hit the send button, and then gives me all types of options. I can collect email addresses, or I can send via email here, or I have a link. And then here, let's click this one. It says embed hypertext markup link. That's not what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go ahead and use the link, and I'm going to copy it. Okay. And then I'm going to send it out to send it out per email to the people that I want to have it. Okay? So, I hope that this has helped you navigate how to complete a Google form. Thank you so much, and I appreciate all of your attention. You can follow me at LaShore E. Redmond. Please, I'm always talking about good things, so hope to see you there. Bye-bye.